Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Find X5 Lite, and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, let's open your contact list, for example using the dialer. It doesn't really matter, just have the contacts, and then find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. Now let's tap on the edit contact button here and tap on the camera icon. And as you can see right here, we can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her, or you can simply choose a photo from the gallery. And I will pick this option, so let me tap on it here and just pick either Google Photos or just your gallery. Now we have to find the photo we would like to use and tap on it. And as you can see from this step, we can change the size of this highlighted square. We can change also the position of it. Unfortunately, we cannot zoom in or out the photo, but we can just operate with this square. Thanks to this, we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this area is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to, just like you feel it is the best. And then remember to tap on the stick icon in the right upper corner. As you can see, the photo has been applied to this icon, so remember to tap on save again. And as you can see, the photo has been immediately applied to the contact. What's more, it will be shown also on the contact list, and for example, whilst all incoming calls from that number. So basically that's all. This is how to add the photo to a contact in your OPPO Find X5 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.